Luca, what do you think? You like the duck? Here, you want to give him some bread? Oh, not the whole piece. That's the last piece. Here. Luca, what does the duck say? Does the duck say quack, quack, quack? Here, you want some more? Oh, yeah. Feed some to the pretty mallard boys. They're not getting any. It's fat ducksters. Come here. Look, what does the duck say? Duck. You want some more bread? Not for you. You have crackers. Oh, don't eat the duck bread. Sorry, duck. That piece is for Luca. Okay. You say hi to the duck? Luca, tell the ducks bye-bye. Say bye-bye, duck. Yay! Oh, that was fun. Say bye-bye, duck. You ready to go home?